Today I'm going to teach you how to pipe the Pasta Carbonara Gerbera. For this we will need a 125K piping tip, which is this one, and it's got a very thin opening, almost like on a slant. Then we'll need the number 7 piping tube, which is a very small round piping nozzle. And then we'll need a 14 star tip, which is a very tiny star tip. For the buttercream, I've coloured using Pro Gel Cream and Pro Gel Gooseberry. Now you only need a little bit of these in the buttercream, especially the gooseberry, because you only want a light centre middle, as the Gerbera only has a very light middle. Now we're going to start by first tightening the piping bag. Plus, we always pipe onto a frozen cupcake, which then we flat ice, and then it helps for the petals to stick. If you can pipe on a fresh cupcake, which comes out of the oven once it's cooled down, but you would run the risk of crumbs getting into your piping tips, which isn't very good. So it's always best on a frozen cupcake. So we're going to start with the longer edge, which is this edge, down onto the cupcake. We're going to tilt it a little bit, and we're going to start about that far from the edge, and then we're going to go up, S, and down. Then we're going to leave a little gap, so then we go up, S, and down, and again up, S, and down. Try and just do like a little jiggle or an S. I always say S. I don't know why, but that's just me. Up, S, and down. Up, S, and down. Up, S, and down. Up, S, and down. Up, and down. Up. So it's kind of a little jiggle, really, a little wiggle as you're going back down again. So you go up and down. Up and down. You have to excuse me, I do make some strange comments. Anyways, we need to wipe our piping tip on the end, tighten the bag, starting again, but on top of that flower, but just tilt the piping tip a little bit. So we're going up and down, 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 up and down. Turning the cupcake as you're going, and not your piping bag. You will end up getting a bit tangled. Up and down, up and down, up and down. So there you go. You've got two layers of petal all sitting on top of each other. So now we stop again. We wipe our tip. We tighten our bag, and we go again. So now we're doing a third flower petal. So we start again roughly about here, and let it sit up, and let it sit up. So you get like a little opening, as you can see. Let it sit up, down, up, a little less and down, up, a little less and down. These are a very nice little flower. They're very pretty. And they do come in all different colours, so you know, you can pipe them in different colours. So up and down. And down. And down. As you can see, there is gaps in between. And that's one reason why we do also flat ice the cupcake in the same colour, because you don't really put leaves in these flowers. It's just one solid bold flower. You can always, if you want to, just stick another, just to fill in the gaps a little bit. Excuse me. I think that will probably do. There we go. Now, as you can see, it's got lovely petals sitting on top of each other. Now we take our number 7 piping tube, and I'll try and do this so you can actually see what I'm doing. In the centre, we need to put a small blob. You don't need a massive one. And try and flatten it. It needs to be quite flat. So if you pop it like that, that's it. And then we take our number 14 star tip and just put little stars around the edge of the green centre. If you go online and look at these flowers, they're such pretty flower. They do have this amazing. And go around again because it's quite thick and bushy in the middle. And there we have. And there we have the Pasta Carbonara Gerbera. Thank you for watching.